Hello everybody, it's 2:02 and 15 seconds on August 31st. This is the drawing for the Sinner Takes All number 3, which is the first Bride of Venom, and the What If number 105, the Spider-Girl issue. Over here on the left are the 11 filled spots. Going to roll our 3 dice. The number is 14. Going to randomize 14 times. Name at the top of the list will win the books. It's probably going to ship out. Hopefully, I can get a chance to get to the post office tomorrow, Saturday. If not, because of the holiday, they will not ship out until Tuesday. Okay, so away we go. Good luck, everybody. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here's the final one. 14, spot 4, Peter DeGroot. Congratulations. The time is 2:03 and 21.